Hey you, it's very nice to see you. Thank you so much for taking the time today to be watching the demo. How's your week going so far?
Hi, not too bad. Thank you for asking. It's pretty busy right now, but I'm glad we could connect.
Just out of curiosity, you're based in which country?
I'm based in Germany, in Munich. Yes.
Okay. And that's very nice. I was in Munich, very lovely city. The festivals, the culture, really liked it. And actually, I wanted to be telling you also a little bit about our company. So, appyRewards, we are a company based in three countries. We are based in New York, Paris, and Porto in Portugal, and north of Portugal. And the difference between us is that we are a 100% online company, and we can target pretty much all around the world. So, for example, if you have a survey for people that live and work in the United States, but you're based in Germany, through us, you can also be doing this. As you can see here, when you go into our platform, you can see send gift cards and prepaid cards worldwide. So, this is a very, very global and very interesting part. And something that I wanted to ask you, do you know already which platform you're going to be using for the survey?
Yes, we are gonna use the SurveyMonkey.
Okay, that's very good because we are 100% integrated with SurveyMonkey. Of course, we are still integrated with the other platforms like Yotform, Google Forms, WebEx, MailChimp. But SurveyMonkey is lovely because most of our clients also they really like using it. Uh, Little question, do you know what type of campaign do you plan on running?
Yes, so it's a customer feedback survey, but more specifically, it's for our network of resellers across the United States. And we have around 200 of them, and we like to get their input and reward them for participating. Yes.
Okay, okay. So I'm gonna be showing you exactly how everything works. I prepared a survey for this demo that I'm gonna be showing it to you. So basically, what you have to be doing as soon as you arrive here in our platform, you have the sign in page. You click here on the top right on sign in, and then here you can see some of the integrations that we have with multiple platforms. So for today, let's click on SurveyMonkey. So after you click on the SurveyMonkey from our website, you're going to be sent directly to their website. So you can be connecting our website with the SurveyMonkey platform to complete the integration. After this, you're going to be clicking on launch. And you're going to be sent directly here to the dashboard. So what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be creating a campaign for you, a very, very simple one, so I can show you how easy it is to be using our campaign. Basically, when you come here, you can be selecting different types of campaigns, but this case, let's create a reward campaign. So as you told me, your target is to be achieving 200 people. So in this case, perhaps you can be buying one of our subscriptions, or you can be buying a one-shot campaign. This is another information that if you want, I can be sending you later by email. So here, let's do something very simple. When you have I have two campaigns to use in my account, and let's use one of these to be creating. So as you can see, this is like a little recap space that you're going to be seeing. You see that it's written new campaign because you're going to be creating new campaign beginning here. So what we're going to be choosing is SurveyMonkey, and I'm going to be creating the name of the campaign. You can be modifying this, of course, according to your tastes. And let's say UE demo today. That's going to be the name of the campaign that I'm going to be creating. And
Mhm.
what I'm going to be using for gift cards, as you told me, people that you're going to be targeting, they're going to be based in America. We have gift cards that you can be selecting all from one place, but I'm going to be showing the most interesting one that is called the Tango Reward Link gift card. And basically, with this, you're going to be getting a reward link. And with this reward link, you can be selecting multiple stores. You don't have to be having one independent gift card, perhaps in a store that is not going to be of your taste. So, with this one, for example, let's say you're going to be having $10. You can be splitting $5 between Amazon, $5 between Starbucks. So it's really up to you. What we're going to be doing, we're going to be excluding the prepaid gift cards and also allow the recipients to be selecting their country. Everything is very simple. And the start dates, let's say that the campaign is going to begin today and the end date is going to be on the 1st of July. After this, since we are fully integrated with SurveyMonkey, you can come here and you read, link your campaign to your survey. So we're going to be seeing all of the surveys that I have in my account. And in this case, I'm going to be clicking on the survey for demos. After this, I click on next. I'm going to be putting the number of contact. As you see, that since I used the campaign for 50 people, it only shows 50. But of course, if you get a 200 one, there's going to be 200, and it goes like this. So one gift to be delivered, I'm going to be selecting this one, and I'm going to be putting $1 for the gift card. So here it's a little part where you can be looking at your account. I'm going to be choosing direct access to the gift because it's much simpler, but you can also be manually approving the people that are going to be answering your survey. Also, you can be selecting and activating some mechanisms that are going to be helping the security of your survey and bots, etc. But in this case, since I want to keep it simple and show you how everything works, let's just continue like this. There you go. And here you're going to be able to see the last recap of your campaign. Here you're going to be having the campaign reference, and with this campaign reference that you're going to be having, if you have any problems and you need to speak to our customer service, this is the important part that you're going to be needing to be sending it to us. Also, something very interesting from that you can be doing here in the recap page is customizing the email sent to the participant. So when you click on customize, you can be customizing the subject, you can be writing a text that you please, you can also change the button label, claim your gift, you can also change the background colors to put the colors of your company, and sometimes even the logo if you wish to. Apparently we can do this, but you have to reach us through the customer service. So in this case, let's keep everything very simple and let's check. So it begins today, it's going to be ending in about a month from now. This I want to send one gift and the budget is $1. So after this, everything is set and let's click on launch the campaign. I'm going to be getting a code that I should be, there you go, that I should be putting it in the end to verify that I'm the one creating the campaign. Usually this code is sent to my mobile number. So it's very simple. And as you can see here, the campaign is activated. So everything is ready. So what I'm going to be doing here today, you see that the UE campaign that I created for today,
Hmm.
it's going. So everything is running fine. So what I'm going to be doing now to be showing you a little bit how the redeeming works, I just copy the survey. I come here on another page and I can just answer the silly survey that I did. And here it's very important to be putting the email address. I'm going to be putting my email address. Just a second. There you go. And you're going to be seeing the email that I'm going to be receiving. There you go. Done. Lovely. So eventually, if I refresh, I'm going to be seeing the email. And I also want to be showing you something here. When you come on the control part of my campaign, you can click on this part called tracking. There you go. You can see the number of participants. You
Hmm.
see that I here, when I click on tracking the campaign, you can see that I put my email address in the field there, and I can be also choosing to be resending the email if somebody didn't receive. I put my email, I received the gift. So what I can be doing is clicking on this link here, claim your gift. And after this, a page is going to open and I can be selecting the country that I want. You see the amount of countries that we have. And you can also be selecting everybody that you have. You see reward link, Visa prepaid card, but as you can see, the minimum is €5. So everything is very simple and very user friendly. And you can also really keep track of the people that are going to be answering your survey and everything. And I submitted the survey, the reward email you just checked. And it's very simple. And at some point, if you want to be splitting, for example, there I put $1, but if you want to be having $10, you can split 5 and 5. You can really do whatever you want with the Tango. It's a very, very interesting way of gift card. And
Okay.
apart from this, I wanted to ask you, do you have any questions? Is
Uh,
everything clear?
yeah, I have one question, and it's if I don't use old rewards, what happens to the leftover funds?
Okay. So this is something very interesting because in this case, if you have unused rewards of people that didn't claim, in a
Hmm.
situation like this, what you can be doing is that you're going to be going into here on the side where you have the gift catalog and you also have my gifts. and you can be reusing the gifts in the new campaign. So let's say out of 20 gift cards that you bought, only 15 were redeemed and there's five left. Either you can be using these five in a new campaign. It's really up
Hmm.
to you. Or something that you can also be doing is convert the remaining value on different rewards. So, for example, if you can convert the Tango Link into normal gift cards if you don't want to keep it with that, or if you prefer, of course, you can request a refund and we will be refunding this to your bank account. So that's pretty much it. And if you have any questions, let me know. Was everything clear?
Yeah, thank you a lot, Eric. That was super clear and really helpful. I'll definitely share it with my manager so we can make a decision together. And just one more question. If we decide to go ahead, what are gonna be the next steps?
Okay, that's a great question. So basically, all you need to do is install the appyReward integration directly from the SurveyMonkey app directory. Uh, that's pretty much where I showed you. So I'm going to
Hmm.
be logging out here very quickly to be showing you. You come here in the appyReward, sorry, in the SurveyMonkey, and you're going to be seeing rewards. So you see us here, appyReward.
Hmm.
You basically click on there, and even if you put the filters, for example, you can see that the most popular that they have it there at the moment, it's us. We have been working quite good. And you do this when you first open the app, you'll be asked for a few basic details, including your mobile number. That's the thing that I showed you, that when you're about to complete your campaign, you're going to be having to validate this with your phone number. And then the numbers used to secure your login and also to validate the campaign, as I showed you during the explanation. So everything stays very safe and verified. And from there,
Okay.
you will be able to set up your first campaign in just a few minutes, and it's pretty simple and very easy. So, do you have any other
Perfect.
questions?
No, that's all for now. Thank you again, and
Well,
have a great day.
that's lovely. Thank you so much, Yui. It was lovely speaking to you, and I hope everything was clear. Thank you so much, and I hope hearing from you soon. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.